here I am to show you this video. Well, no, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to watch this video that's been making the rounds on the internet. Nobody knows who made it or where it's come from, but my friend got a hold of it, and she only could watch about 10, 15 seconds of it. It's 30 seconds long, and it totally freaked her out. She couldn't sleep. So I'm going to watch this to see what it is and show that a 30-second video can be watched in its entirety, because apparently hardly anybody can finish this video, and that to me is just strange. It's 30 seconds, not very long. So I am going to watch it, let you see me watching it, I guess, and we'll go from there. Let's see what happens. All right. Well, here goes nothing. Get this ready here. There's bees, and they are everywhere. I don't know where they came from, but these bees, they're everywhere. They're underneath my skin. I can feel them. They're everywhere, and I should have sprayed around the house where they come from. I gotta get them out. I can feel them. They're in my tongue. There. I gotta stop. They're gonna get to my brain.
It's not the greatest quality, but the sounds are there. I was very hesitant to send you this, as the sound bothers me to listen to. I'd suggest that if you do play it on the program, warn listeners in advance so they may have the option of turning the radio off for 30 seconds while it plays. It has always haunted me. To those who discounted the Siberia sounds from Hell's Story, it is true, and I, for one, wish it wasn't.